Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use find function in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. Here in first column we can see text is given, a person's name Johnson Hain, and here we have to find n. How we can do that? By a function called find. So after find, opening bracket, find text, which text we want. Here we can manually type the text within inverted comma, or we can select the cell where the cell is text is kept. Okay, so I'm selecting this one, then comma, within text I want to search within this text, and then closing bracket, enter. You can see 4 is given. 4. If I select this one, we can see that the output input in the formula bar, and we will count 4. So for 1, 2, 3, n is the fourth character. So we have got our answer. So now we can see there are multiple n's here. In Johnson, this is n. Here we can see another n. Here we can see another n. So in this case, we have got only uh, n which appeared first. But what if we need this second n? Then we how we can do this? I have to find the same n. Okay, so I'm typing the formula find. I want to find this text, comma. We have to search within this text, comma. Now we don't need the place where this first n is. We need where the second n is. So our search should start from after the position of the first n. And in previous example, we have identified that the first one is appeared at the fourth place. So if I type 5, then it will ignore this fourth place, and from here, from S, it will start its journey, searching journey. Closing bracket. Now we can see 7 is given. Okay, so if I count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the second n is at 7th place. Now if I want to know the n which appeared last, what, what to find? I want to find the same n. So type find, then I want this text. I can select this text or I can type. This time I am typing. Okay, you can do select this or you can type. I am showing you multiple things. Okay, comma, within this text, comma, then I want my this search journey should be start after the second n, and the position of second n is 7, so our journey should start from 8. So we have got the result is 12. Now if I search again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this is how we can use find function. uh, eh, Here we have not selected the cell. We have given the manually type the value. I am doing that again. Find text. I want to find this text, comma, within this text, comma, and I want it after the second n, that is 8. So see, the same result is given here. So this is how we can use find function. I will use another example for find function. Here we can see the text is I love dogs and I have 3 dogs and I have to find dogs. So how we can do that? Find Then I want to find this one, comma, within this text, closing bracket. At this, it is showing us 8. So if I select this, 1, 2, spaces consider another character, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can see our dogs, this text will, it starts from 8th place. 8, it is our 8th character. Okay, so what if we need the second dogs? Okay, I am copying this again. Find, I want this text, comma, within this text, comma, I want the second where the number of the place where the second dogs is appearing. So I have to start my search after this one. Okay, previously it was the first dog's place started from 8, so this time I will start from 9. Okay, 24. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and D is the 24th character. Okay, so let's do it more times, but here I am trying to find cats. Okay, so our text is I love dogs and I have 3 dogs and I have to find cats. Definitely it will not appear, it will not give us the result, but let's see how it shows. Find, I want to find this text, comma, within this text there is no value, it is showing no value. So this is how we can use find function in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.